Wait, why the hell did you operate on my left side? The appendix is on the right.
You're absolutely right. I'll go again.
You know what's wild? After 3 years of using ChatGPT and spending $100s and plus, I finally found a combo that makes ChatGPT feel kinda ancient. Yeah, like switching from a button phone to an iPhone. And the crazy part? You can try it for free right now, no paywall, no gimmick. Let me show you what the real power users are doing. Most people think they just need a better ChatGPT. But the real secret, it's not about one tool, it's about three. Inside a single browser called Comet. It blends Perplexity, Gemini and Claude all in one place. And when you use them together, ChatGPT suddenly feels slow, limited and honestly kinda outdated. Let's break down how that works. I'll be honest, I used to love ChatGPT. It felt like that wise older brother who always knew the answer. But lately it's like he started making stuff up. Especially after the GPT-5 update. More hallucinations, more confidence, less truth. And I'm not the only one who noticed. They even brought GPT-4 back because people complained so much. When you catch your AI lying and it just says, "Oh, you're right," you start losing trust real fast. That's when I started looking for something better. I'm a marketer. I rely on data. But ChatGPT started giving me fake answers, like dangerously wrong advice for Google Ads campaigns. And when a client's budget is on the line, you can't afford hallucinated numbers. The final straw, I tried voice input and it froze mid-sentence every single time. That's when I realized it's time to move on. About a month ago, I tried Comet Browser. It looked simple, but it had these three tools built right in. It's Perplexity, Gemini and Claude. I started using it for half my daily tasks and the difference was instant. It wasn't just faster, it was smarter. I could finally trust the answers again. That's when I knew ChatGPT was officially my ex. Here is the setup I use every day. Perplexity, my go-to for real-time research inside the browser. Gemini, my partner for marketing strategy. It's built by Google, so it gets Google Ads and analytics. Claude, my writer, editor and deep thinker for long-form content. And the best part, I switch between them with one click. If you wanna try this exact setup, I dropped a link in the pinned comment. You'll get a free month of Perplexity Pro worth $20. Students even get a year for free. Yeah, you're welcome. Remember ChatGPT projects? I loved them. Perplexity has similar ones called Spaces, and it's kind of better. You can organize research, save context, and visually manage everything like a living workspace. It's like having a project dashboard that actually remembers stuff. Here is a fun one. Gemini has a model called NanoBanana, and it makes crazy realistic images in about 10 seconds. I tested it side by side with ChatGPT's image generator and NanoBanana destroyed it. Wanna test it yourself? The exact prompt I used is down in the description. Try it and tag me with your results. Okay, this blew my mind. I asked Gemini to analyze my entire YouTube channel, every video, every metric, and it gave me a report that was better than what I get from a paid consultant for a couple $1,000s. ChatGPT can't do that, but Gemini can, because it's built by Google. If you work with YouTube, ads or analytics, that's your unfair advantage right there. And it's not just me. In every AI community I'm in, People are switching to Comet and never looking back. Productivity is up, results are sharper, and people say it feels like the future. You know, when electricity was invented, people actually said,
Nah, gas lamps are fine.
we laugh now, but we are doing the same thing with AI. The early adopters, the ones who move first, always win. That's your chance today. Click the link, install Comet, and try your first search inside Perplexity. You will feel the difference in seconds. Here is my challenge to you. Use Comet for 1 week. Then come back here and tell me what happened. Was ChatGPT faster, smarter, more reliable? Be honest. Drop your result in the comments. I'll be reading everyone. If you want a deeper walkthrough of my full setup, let me know below. If enough people ask, I'll film a tutorial showing exactly how I build my workflow. Remember, this is like switching from a button phone to an iPhone. The future is already here. You just have to click install. Link is pinned. Go grab your free month. Thank you and have a good day.